Today we want to show you the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone. Let us first have a look at the box before we are unboxing it. Here we got all instructions and manuals that are coming in the box. Let us browse through them quickly. There is a quick start guide, regional lock guide and warranty card. Here we got all accessories coming with the smartphone. There is a small adapter to transfer files from old smartphones with old connection cables. And there is a USB connector. With this and the Samsung Smart Switch app you can easily transfer almost all data and apps from your old smartphone to the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Here is the travel adapter to charge the smartphone. This are AKG in-ear headphones. And last but not least a data connection wire and additional changeable earplugs for the headphones. Finally, let's have a close look at the new Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus smartphone. You should always charge it first, before you are turning on a new smartphone. Okay, at the end let us turn it on, the first time. Thanks everyone for watching. Feel free to subscribe to see daily more unboxing and review videos. Have a great day. Thanks guys.